Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create picture frame in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I create picture frame in this presentation. At first, I have to select this picture. Then go to show or hide format style option. Now you can see here are border option. Now click this borders drop down menu and choose picture frame. Now click this frame drop down menu and you can see here are many find. Now I want to this picture frame. Now click outside of this image. Now you can see I create picture frame in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.